Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn on compact mode in Facebook on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Look for your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Display and Accessibility. This will take you to the settings related to the appearance and accessibility of your Facebook account. Step 4. In the Display and Accessibility settings, you'll find a section called Compact Mode. Click on the switch next to it to turn it on. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Compact Mode in Facebook on your PC. This mode provides a more condensed and streamlined view, allowing you to make the most of your browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.